Hello everyone, and welcome to day 24 of our challenge, nearing the end. I'm just going to have you come into rock pose, so sitting on your heels. And if that's not an option, you can just come to a comfortable seated position. Sitting up tall and closing the eyes. Take an inhale breath through the nose, and on the exhale, open the mouth and say ha, H-A, like you're fogging a mirror. And again, inhale. Through the mouth, exhale. Last one, inhale. And then inhale through the nose. Begin exhaling through the mouth, closing the mouth, creating the same sound through the nose. And again, inhale. Begin through the mouth, close the mouth. Last one, inhale. And then just take a few more breaths in and out through the nose. Still creating that ujjayi sound on the exhales, and if it's available, you can bring it into the inhales as well. Then we're going to just walk our hands forward into table pose. From here, I'm going to have you turn your fingers out to the side and then all the way toward you. Try not to hyperextend the elbows. Draw the belly up. Melt the heart center. You can either just stay here with your breath, or you can create circles, moving the shoulders around the wrists in a circular motion. Doesn't matter which direction you start in, we're going to go in both directions. Matching the movement to the breath. So whether you do one full inhale for one circle, and then the exhale for the next, or as you move forward, inhale, and as you move back, exhale. Two more in this direction. Good, last one, and we'll switch directions. Again, trying to keep the elbows just gently soft, so you're not hyperextending. Heart center is melted. Belly is lifted ever so slightly. Two more. Good. Last one. Coming through center, and then take the hands back. Fingertips are pointing forward. Now we're going to turn them in toward one another. So you may only get as far as fingertips pointing straight toward one another. If it's available, you can take them further to try and point them at you. So wherever you are, that's fine. This time we want nice strong elbows, so try and get them as straight as possible. Melt the heart center, and again, you can either stay at center and breathe, or draw those circles around the wrists with the shoulders. You can even go a little bit slower where you feel the tension. Again, matching the movement to the breath. Three, two, last one. Finish out that exhale, and then come in the other direction. If you're holding at center, remember the elbows are nice and strong. Heart center is melted. Belly is gently lifted. 3, 2, and finish out that exhale and release. Take the hands back to center. Take a moment here. Inhale. And on the exhale, lift to down dog. Stay for one full breath. Try to feel the weight evenly distributed between all aspects of the hand and fingers. Opening up the back of the legs, pressing the heels to the ground, back of the knees to the back of the room, and melting the belly toward the thighs. Last breath. And then release the knees back to the floor. We're going to come into cow's head. So you're going to cross the right knee in front of the left knee. You're going to kick both feet out to the side and sit back so that the right knee is stacked directly above the left. If this is not available to you, then you're going to come into easy pose with the right foot in front. So the knees are nice and wide, heels are at center, both of them in front of one another, or right knee over left. Then you're going to take the left elbow over right into eagle arm. So you can either grab a hold of that left thumb or come palm to palm. Lift the fingertips so the elbows are just slightly higher than the shoulders. Take the hands away from the face. Press the elbows forward. Inhale and exhale. And on the next inhale, you're going to raise the fingers up as high as you can. And on the exhale, you're going to draw them down toward the knees. You can roll the back a little bit if you'd like. Inhale. You can even add a little bit of an extension, almost like a cat-cow movement as you inhale and lift. And exhale and lower. The entire time, keeping the hands lifted away from the face and trying to press the elbows away from the body toward the front of your mat. Feeling the movement and the opening through the entire upper back and shoulders. 3, 2, good, one more. As you exhale, let the hands release, come all the way over the legs. Let the chin fall toward the chest. Let everything be nice and heavy. Even the knees and the feet, not trying to hold yourself out of the posture. If it's tempting to push with the hands, turn the palms up. Last breath. Finish the exhale. On the inhale, take the arms up overhead. We're going to come into a twist over toward the right, left arm to the outside of that right leg. Look over that right shoulder. Stay with the breath. As you inhale, you'll feel the expansion through the rib cage. As you exhale, draw the belly in toward the spine. See if you can twist a little further. You can use the arms to assist. 2 more breaths. Good. Last breath. Finish the exhale. Inhale back to center, arms alongside the ears. Exhale, plant the hands coming back through your table pose. So unbind the right leg and then do the left. Both feet out to the side and sit between the feet. So you're not on the feet. If this is not an option, easy pose with the left heel in front is your modification. Then right elbow over left, either grab the right thumb or palm to palm. Lift the hands away from the face. Lift the elbows. Inhale and exhale. And then inhale to lift and exhale to lower with the elbows. Again, you can add a little bit of a cat-cow type of movement with the spine. Just try and keep the elbows pressing toward the front of the mat the entire time. Stay with your Ujjayi breath. Come back to it if you've lost it. 3 more. Keep the hands lifted away from the face. Good. Last one. Inhale to lift, and on the exhale, release the arms. Fold all the way over the legs. Let everything be heavy. If you find yourself pushing yourself away from the floor with the hands, turn the palms up. Take space between the teeth. Allow the chin to fall toward the chest. 3, 2, and 1. And on the inhale, coming up, arms alongside the ears, and on the exhale, twist. So the right arm to the outside of that left leg, left hand behind the back. Look over the left shoulder. Bring the neck into the twist as well. On the inhale, feel the expansion through the rib cage, and on the exhale, draw the belly in, use the arms, and come a little bit deeper. 2, 1. Finish the exhale. Inhale to center and exhale. Plant the hands, unbind that left leg, curl the toes under and come back to your down dog. Just taking a few breaths here. Again, pressing the heels to the ground, the back of the knees to the back of the room. You can always walk the dog if you'd like, and melt the belly to the thighs. If you would like to add your inversion practice at this time, you can pause the video and do that. If not, stay for one more breath. And then we're going to come forward through seated and on to the back for Shavasana. Feet toward the corners of the mat, arms by the side, palms facing up. Releasing the Ujjayi breath and coming to just a nice, gentle belly breath. And just start bringing some length to the breath. Bringing movement to the hands and the feet. Drawing the knees into the chest. Gently rocking side to side, making your way onto your right side into a comfortable seated position. We're just going to take square breathing, so just take a breath or two, finding a good length of your breath. So take a count of the length of the inhale, and then take a count of the length of the exhale and average it. We will inhale for that count, hold the breath in for that count, exhale for that count, and hold the breath out for that count, and begin whenever you're ready. Last one. When you're finished, releasing hands to heart center. Thank you for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste.